Hello, everyone. My name is Nikki Conley, and today I'm going to speak with you about Azure AI Video Indexer. Video Indexer's mission is to provide a performant, easy-to-use solution that unlocks video insights, leading to deep understanding of its content while making video estates accessible and actionable. It combines multiple AI services and enables extraction of metadata from video and audio, like faces, objects, sentiments, transcripts of audio, and also enables translation. It combines 30 different AI models and services under a single API and curates the workflows to enable the most valuable insights from the video file. The metadata extracted from Video Indexer can be used to enrich MAM/DAM systems and also enable enhanced discovery of content, whether it be for production or distribution scenarios. Try and evaluate it for free via the Video Indexer portal. Leverage the Video Indexer widgets and hosted search solution to perform a proof of concept and simple integrations. Leverage the REST API via API management for more advanced integration. This is a high-level flow of the different machine learning models and insights that are extracted when a video file is being indexed by Video Indexer. As you can see, there are a lot of them, and the number is growing, so I will not walk you through all of them. First, you can see there are two starting points to this process: the audio analysis on the left and the vision analysis on the right. Some of the more advanced models later rely on both. For example, brand detection takes input from both speech analysis and the OCR, which is the ability to extract words from images. Here you see a full list of the AI models and services used by the two Video Indexer pipelines. Highlighted by yellow dot are first-party cognitive services. We've had some recent updates that I want to share with you. First off, we have Video to Text API. This is where you can get a description of the video into a text format. We have Video Indexer at the edge as an ARC-enabled service. We have a new object detection model, and we have the ability for you to bring your own model. The next thing I would like to do is do a live demo of how the Video Indexer portal works and what are the results that you can get. Here you see the Video Indexer portal. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a file. So I simply click this upload button, browse for a file on my machine, and select the file. The next thing I do is I can look at adding some things to this in my advanced settings. I can look at different indexing presets, people models if I have anything in my default, brand categories, custom logos, and then any additional file information. I check this box to agree to the terms, and I'm going to upload an index. As you see right now, we are uploading the file. Once it is uploaded, this will run in the background and begin the indexing process. This process length of time depends on the size and length of your video. As we wait for this one to complete, I'm going to look at one that I've already loaded. If you look here, you'll see that there are people. There is me, and there is my name. So I am now part of the people model. If I click on other people, I can give them a name as well. I simply go to the edit, and I can type in their name. So here, this is a colleague of mine, Vanessa Villa, and I'm going to save that. Some of the other things that we can look at are detected objects that are found in here. For example, if I want to look at a necktie, there are images of a necktie. I can jump to those within the video and see where there is a necktie detected. The next thing I can do is I am given some topics. So something like companies, and I can jump to the next. This is near the end of the video. The audio effects is a preview feature, so I won't go into too much detail on that. Next, we have the keywords. I can come in here and look at a keyword that says kind. And when I look at kind, I can click to the first one where the word kind comes from, and the next time that the word kind comes from. The next thing is our labels. Our labels are things, so here we have a girl. Let's look here, and there are many girls in this picture. Another thing is named entities. We have locations, and we can look at that one. This is a location. We have people that are in here, and we have brands. So if we look, we have LinkedIn. Let's look where LinkedIn is named, and LinkedIn is listed here. The next item that we can look at is the emotions. This is an emotion of joy. So let's go look at our first joyous moment and our next joyous moment. Next, we have scenes. We have shots in the scene. So the next thing you may want to do is look at captions. I can come over here, and click on my English captions. And if I hit play on this, you'll see that there is text that is going along with the recording. The next thing, let's say you want to translate to another language. I would come up here and I would select a language. I'm going to select Spanish because that is a language that I speak. So I'm going to come to here. It is already working on translating for me behind the scenes. And I'm going to select Spanish of Mexico. And here, if we look at our timeline, you'll see our timeline has been changed to Spanish. But yet, in order to see this in the video, I would change my language here to Spanish. If I hit play, you will notice I now have Spanish closed captions in line with the video file. The next thing I want to show you is some of the models that are out here. So if you go over here, there's model customizations. And in here, you can add speech models. So these are things like maybe the word Kubernetes isn't very well known and transcription can't necessarily handle doing a closed caption. The other thing is selecting different languages that you want to add for automatic language detection. Let's say if you didn't know that a video was in English and Spanish, as long as that language was listed here, from any of these drop downs, you can add to it. And that is where it can become then a language that is an auto detection. The next one is the people. If you remember, there was the person, myself, as well as another person. So if I want to look at who's been identified, we have me, Nikki Conley. There are 5 images, and my friend Vanessa Villa, where there are 9 images. And you can see here my quality is green because we have been able to identify via those 5 images. The last will be brands. And on the brands, had I identified new brands, I could have done that here, or I could have done it within the video itself, like I did my colleague Vanessa. Now let's go back to the video that I had uploaded earlier. We now are returned to the main page of Azure AI Video Indexer. If you look, my video was uploaded and indexed. If we look at this video, you'll see that we have me identified, I am here, and we also have another person that's unknown and another unknown. So if we look at me, let's go ahead and let's play next. Once again, I've been identified. There I am on the screen. And same like the other video that we had looked at, we have all of the other same things that we had in the previous video. I hope you have enjoyed this tour of Azure AI Video Indexer. Please feel free to try anything out under the free trial where you get quite a few minutes where you can play with things.